Alright guys, this is just a super small Walmart haul. This was like last minute things right before Easter. So I needed a gallon of milk, and right now Walmart was the cheapest place to get it. It was like $2.88 a gallon. We were out of razor blades. We used the Joy razors. So I picked up 2 of these. Razor blades are expensive. It was a 4 count for, I think, $8.98 or something like that. Or maybe 7 something. I think they were like $8 a package. Might have been 7 something. I picked up yogurt just to have on hand to eat and to put into smoothies. I got 2 packages of this original vanilla low-fat yogurt. This is 2 pounds. These were like $1.60 something a piece, I think, or $1.30 something. They were super cheap. And then 1 of the plain non-fat yogurt. Again, 2-pound package for $1 something. 2 of these little bottles of gelled baby oil for putting on whenever we get out of the shower to help moisturize your skin. And then my blender that I bought. This is from Hamilton Beach. This is what it looks like outside of the box. Somebody's destroying my kitchen behind me. And then this was the box that it came in. So this is a smoothie blender. So 650 watts. And it has the wave action system, which is supposed to help break down ice chunks and frozen things better, make it nice and smooth. This was $19.99. I think the original price of it was like $26 something, and then it was on sale. So I went ahead and picked that up. And then I got over here, I guess it's my daughter that's destroying the kitchen. 1 12-pack of the Sam's brand of cola. I like Coke more than I do Pepsi or any other kind of dark cola, and the Sam's cola is the closest thing I've found to the taste of actual Coca-Cola, and it's way cheaper. It was like $2.46 for that 12-pack. And then my grandmother likes ginger ale. I'll drink one every once in a while, so we picked up a 12-pack of Canada Dry brand because that's what she likes the best. I think it was like $4.48 for a 12-pack. And that does it on the very small Walmart haul that we had. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to check out some of our other haul videos. We haul from Sam's Club, Walmart, all over the place. We also have cooking videos and crafting videos coming up. And thank you so much for watching.